Whether it's for inventory identification, tool organization, or showing the state of work in progress, you need marking tools. Martin Supply carries a full line of MRO supplies, featuring great products like the DYKEM Brite Mark Paint Marker, a general-purpose, permanent marker ideal for making clear, bold markings on almost any surface. The quick-drying, oil-based paint withstands indoor and outdoor conditions without fading, chipping, or losing its opacity. Plus, the Brite Mark contains 20% more paint than the competition, making Brite Mark the smart choice. And with no hazardous air pollutants or reportable amounts of xylene, they're a smart alternative to spray paint. Replaceable tips and the valve action mechanism prevent paint in the barrel from drying when the cap is left off. And your markings are removable with DYKEM Remover and Prep. Martin Supply has been helping its customers operate better for more than 85 years with great products like Brite Mark. Contact your Martin Supply rep today to learn more or order your Brite Mark pens at martinsupply.com.